In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean, fast React project using Vite, the modern build tool that's way better than Create React app and way simpler than Webpack. Let's get started by creating our React project using Vite. First, make sure you have Node.js installed. Then, open your terminal and run this command. Vite will ask you for a project name. Let's call it React Course App. Then choose React as your framework and JavaScript or TypeScript, depending on what you prefer. Now go into the folder, install the dependencies, and start the dev server. Just like that, you've got a working React app running locally. Now that your Vite-powered React app is running, let's clean things up. If you open the browser, you'll see the default Vite screen with a spinning logo and some text. That's all boilerplate, and we don't need it. First, open app.js. You'll see a bunch of JSX, including the Vite logo, some links, and styling. Delete everything inside the return us block and replace it with a simple hello world, just to confirm that everything still works. Next, open app.css and remove all the default styles. If you want, you can delete the file completely and remove the import from app.jsx, or just leave it blank for now. Head over to main.jsx. Here, there's not much to change yet. Just make sure it's importing app correctly and rendering it to the root div. This gives you a clean slate. You've now stripped away all distractions and are ready to start building your own components. Remember, it's best to start simple and add complexity as you go. A blank canvas is always easier to manage than messy starter code. That's it. Your React project is now set up and completely cleaned out. You're working with one of the fastest dev environments out there, and you've got a fresh, distraction-free canvas ready for building real apps. In the next video, we'll dive straight into JSX and start building our first real components, learning how React renders elements and how you can make your app dynamic. So make sure to hit like, leave a comment if you're following along, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson in this full React course.